Use that. Hello. Hi. Wow. This is pretty intimate, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Is there a big orgy after or what? Thank you guys so much for coming. I know that some of you came quite a ways to be here, so thank you so much. Do you guys like my eyelashes?
Yeah.
Can you see them?
Ish.
See them now? You guys saw that video, but I still don't really, 5 million people, it's probably overwhelming. I still don't really believe it all. I'm just hanging with the girl. I was touched by Niemer. I would not with them. Anyway, maybe we should start with something fun. What do you think? I don't like to write set lists. I just don't think it's, I think you just gotta figure shit out here. I'm figuring it out. It sounds really nice. If I could get you guys to maybe sing along, that would be awesome, but no pressure. This is the first song yet. I get it. sociable. There's all kinds of so thank you for coming, and I'm really excited because a really good friend of mine is here, and oh my god, she just makes me sing better. And she makes me a better person just because she's awesome. And she just had a CD release party last night with Leonard Burns and Dell. That's company in Hamilton, which is another venue we all support. And so she's gonna sing with me.
Yeah.
I know, right? I know. So Brenna, come on here, girl. We're gonna pull it. This song. It was the first song I ever wrote that I didn't hate. Because you know, you write